Let's take a look at a few plants that have some drought damage symptoms that we can see very clearly. Look at this plant. That's the third leaf on the bottom, and you can see that it's been completely abandoned by the plant. The new leaf just coming up looks okay, but the second leaf, about a third of the leaf tip has been flashed off or fired, as the term is called, and the plant has just been seriously affected. Now in these next plants, you can see that the leaf tip has been more than 2/3 of the way has been destroyed. There's the fourth leaf, it's abandoned. The third leaf has been abandoned, and the second leaf is severely damaged. And right, barely in the middle, you can see there's a little bit of meristem going. That plant may survive, but it's going to need a little bit of help to get through the next period of time. These two plants are pretty severely hit also. You can see that the second leaf is pretty severely damaged. The third and fourth leaves are pretty well damaged, so it's going to be tough to get these plants to recover. Now, if you don't have a good preventative program down and some contact fungicide down, what can happen is that other fungi will start growing on the plants that have no defense mechanisms. This is a fungus called Acrimonium, and it is just a general biological decay organism, but you can see it's attacking the plants, and it can produce a lot of cellulases and materials that will just decay the plant. Even though there's some living tissue there, it's not able to respond. So let's just take a look at what's going on here. There's more than just the Acrimonium involved in this situation. There's some bacteria, but that leaf is just starting to decay very rapidly, and if you're not careful, if it goes too fast, it'll really just chew up the whole plant. Those little spikes you see sticking out are the conidiophores, and the little white dots are Conidia of Acrimonium. The little dark dots floating around and zipping around in the frame, that's bacteria. That's a protozoan that's eating the bacteria. So we have a full food chain working on these samples. So when you have a drought affected spot and you want to try to recover from it, the first thing we recommend you do is an application of chlorothalonil to sort of slow the process down. Try to reestablish moisture in the level and get the plants to grow back in, and then it's just a waiting game while those new leaves develop.